A 100-acre wildfire in Napa County near Lake Berryessa has prompted authorities to evacuate nearby homes. The steel fire sparked about 4:30 p.m. Saturday off Arroyo Grande Drive and Steel Canyon Road, according to CAL FIRE. By 6:30 p.m., mandatory evacuations were in place for the Berryessa Highlands and Pleasure Cove areas. Gov. Jerry Brown today declared a state of emergency for Lake, Mendocino and Napa counties as fires continued to threaten those areas. The Napa Valley Register reports 3 homes may have been destroyed. Napa County's Assistant County Executive Officer, Mary Boer, told the newspaper the homes are among 15 structures damaged in the fire's early hours. The newspaper reports about 80 homes are being evacuated. This story is developing. Check back for more information.